Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling airy. Because we got another jam-packed reading for you today. Yes, honey. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tara and T. Come and join the Love and Light family, the good vibrational family at Wagwan Tara and T. Yes, all right. So today's reading is all about how do men view you. So we're gonna try a thing. It's a mini pick and card reading today, where we're gonna see what messages are under these cards today, okay, about how men view you. Yes, you sexy little you. All right. So before we begin, okay, I hope you have a nice little, a little cup of tea, okay, a little cup of tea or some water to stay hydrated as you gather these quick little reads, okay. I'm going to do a quick gratitude. So thank you, universe, thank you, spirit guides, thank you, guardian angels, thank you, ancestors, for the messages that we are about to receive today. May these messages uplift the collective, make them feel good, okay? And may these messages help to strengthen their intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so we have pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3. And you know, honey, which number is calling you? Okay, go to that number and I will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we are moving on to pile 1. Let's have a look and see what's under pile 1 for how do men view you for this mini pick a card reading. So we have the Hierophant. Ooh, wee baby. They're seeing you as like the teacher. They're seeing you as a mentor. They see you as somebody that they could learn from. They really admire this about you. They really see this as I'm getting it. Really kind of turns them on. It really makes them feel like, ooh, wee, I can learn from you. I feel like they have this real lesson of feeling like they can learn a lot of lessons from you. They can gather a lot of information from you. But I feel like it's also a mysterious as well. There's something mysterious about you that they really like, and I feel like it could also be this kind of your aura, your spiritual energy that kind of emits from you. The way you move, the way you groove, baby. Them loving it. Them loving it. So keep shining. And look at this lavender. Oh my gosh. So I feel like, again, the lavender, the purple represents, this kind of peaceful energy, but it's also very intuitive energy. And I feel like they can sense that from you. And if you do have any lavender, maybe lavender could be a really good time. A good time. Yes, a good time, baby, a good time. But I feel like the lavender could be at this time, if you can have it around you, or it can really help you to maybe feel connect with your intuition as well, okay. But I feel like this person sees you as very intuitive. So we're gonna pull out, because as we do, we gotta pull out a Jamaican proverb around here. Okay, we're going to have a quick look and see what Jamaican proverb wants to come out. What Jamaican proverb wants to come out for how do men view you. Oh la la, baby. Hey, let's see. Ooh, several. But look at this one. If you can't hear, then you must feel. Ooh wee. If you can't hear, then you must feel. If you can't hear, then you must feel. Now, this is all about the Hierophant learning messages, okay? Listen to good advice, but it's also about, learning. Okay, if you've taken on those messages and you're learning, then you're not gonna go and do something silly. It can be used in that way. It can also be used in that way to kind of, this person use you as somebody that they can learn from. They see you as somebody that they can gain a lot of knowledge and understanding from. So keep on going with your bad self, honey. You tap into that energy. I know that you are the Hierophant. You are the teacher. You are the mentor. And tap into that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. And how they view you is, wow, sexy little feel you. Okay. So to the collective who chose Power One, I hope the messages are resonating. Tap into that energy, because you got it. There might be some tourist vibes going on. Tap into that energy. Earthy vibes going on. So tap into that energy. And you know what we like to do around here? Take what resonates and leave with the sacred power. Leave the rest. But be sure to look good, feel good, tap into the energy, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're going to look under pile 2. Let's see what messages are under pile 2. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, let's see Wagwan. How do men view you, baby? Ooh la la. Okay, so a couple of messages came out. Okay. Ooh wee, they see you as cherry, baby. Ooh wee, look at the succulent juicy cherry. Very vibrant indeed. We've got amber as well, burgundy. Ooh la la. So I'm getting mama. You sure look good tonight. Ooh. So I feel like if you like these colors or you wear these colors, I feel like when they see you, it's like, God damn. And you be like, you okay? You're right. Yeah, I'm just clearing my throat. Did you see her? Oh my God, she fine. This is the energy that I'm getting. There's a lot of passion here, with all of these vibrant colors. So I feel like this could be a really good time to wear those vibrant colors and tap into that, that colorful, passionate aura of the cherry. Okay, the amber, and the burgundy. Okay, the glass of wine. Honey, be careful, because you can get in trouble now. All right, let's have a look at the tarot now. Ooh wee, you see, I knew the High Priestess had to be here with all of this kind of mystery. There's a lot of strong sexual energy, strong passionate energy, and I feel like they kind of, with this energy, I feel like they're drawn to that. Wanting to get to know you more. This mysterious, okay? I'm getting Peter, I can't remember his last name, but it's this singer who sings, oh, mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. Ooh, yeah, somebody wants to get close to you, honey. Look at this with the 4 and 1s. They've been even thinking about commitment and marriage and long term, and I feel like they see this with you. I feel like the how men view you, I feel like they kind of see you as like, no, you're not someone that I will play with. You're someone that I will, put a ring on that finger. Yeah, boy. This is the energy I'm getting. And with the Magician, I feel like with the Magician, they see like they can have a new start, a new beginning with you. They see you as someone that they could grow with. They see someone that they would want to manifest in their life. I'm kind of getting, this is the energy that you're giving. And look at the colors as well. It's matching the cards. Very vibrant, very vibrant, and I feel like that's your personality. Your personality can be very alluring, very vibrant, okay? And I feel like men are really attracted to that. So go on, girl, with your bad self. Keep going there. Keep going now, because you look like what you've got is lit. And I feel like whatever you got ignites very quickly, okay? And especially that passionate energy, that strong energy. So, ooh la la. Right, we're going to look quickly for a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what wants to come out. Let's see what. Wow. Okay. What message do you have for the collective who chose pile 2 on how men view you? Yes, baby. Woo! Look at that. You see that passion? Ooh, look at the color as well. The red, the strong, passionate energy around here. Member said the walls have ears. Ooh la la. Okay. Member said the wall of ears. The wall of ears. Now I feel like this person could be very much, you know, tapping into this energy of the high priestess, that mysterious thing about you, probably even wanting to try and find out more about you, you know, investigate, maybe use the magician as well, wanting to try and see how they can manifest you, or sending telepathic messages towards you, okay? But it's like being careful who's listening. So I feel like they might be having conversations about you and your mysterious nature, okay? So take what resonate, collective, okay? But I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here, take what resonates and leave. You have to say it with power, leave the rest. But be sure to go on with your bad self, tap into that mysterious energy that you got in abundance, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, wagwan tea sippers, wagwan generals. So we're gonna have a look and see what's under pile 3 for how men view you. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, sip on some tea, and we're gonna see wagwan, what's going on. Ooh la la. Okay. So quite a few messages came out for pile 3. I suspected, you know. But woo-wee, lilac. So I feel like you are very connected to your femininity, you know, as well as your masculinity. I feel like you have a healthy balance here. And I feel like this person, you know, how men view you, or you're a specific person, I feel like they are attracted to that balance that you have. Look at that lilac, lemon, these abundant, vibrant colors. Blue, so I feel like the blue is that mysterious, that spiritual connection as well, you know, and the gold, the abundance. So I feel like this person could see you like a Queen of Pentacles. They could see you like an Empress. They could see you as someone that they can expand, someone that they can grow with, someone that they can learn from. And I feel like how they see you, how they view you, I feel like I get a sense of like, there's a song that I have in my mind. I can't remember the original song, but I can remember the cover. It's by a reggae artist, Johnny Clark, and it's "You're the one who gives me satisfaction, fills my heart with love." Ooh, wee! Yes, this person really sees you as someone that they can get a lot of satisfaction. I feel like you inspire them. I feel like how you move, how you groove excites them. Okay, so I feel like you're very attractive at this time, when, especially when it comes to how men view you. I feel like they are very drawn to your energy, but I feel like it's a strong energy of growth, a strong energy of expansion, and a strong energy of wanting to just generally just do well in life, grow, learn. And I feel like this kind of energy of this kind of balance between the masculine and the feminine, the divine masculine and the divine feminine, I feel like it's really I'm getting like a magnetic energy So keep doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. And we even looked at the tarot. Let's have a look and see how men view you with the tarot. Ooh la la. Hey, have we said the empress, that queen, majestic royalty energy? Yes, you are abundant. Look at the abundant colors. You are the empress. Yes, they want to come to you. They want to come to you. They recognize that energy with the Knight of Swords, with the Ace of Swords. I'm also getting with the Knight of Swords. Look at this. You see, your energy is so abundant. Is even myself, I can't get my words across. And I feel like this is what's going on with the Knight of Swords. With the Knight of Swords energy, how men view you, I feel like they can get mesmerized by your aura, by your energy, by your beauty. I feel like sometimes what they might be saying might not always match what they actually want to say, or the words that comes out of their mouth, because I feel like it's so fast paced that they might be also thinking like, oh my gosh, did I say the right thing? And I feel like this could be the energy that you may come across. But I feel like with the Ace of Swords, they are also, I feel like they could be your intellect, your aura inspires, is magnetic, and I feel like if you are someone that enjoys communication and talking on an intellectual level, I feel like men are also attracted to that. I feel like it also ignites their desire to communicate and talk about worldly affairs. But I feel like, again, the strong energy of the Empress is all about that growth. And I feel like when they see you, with the way you move, the way you groove, ooh la la, I feel like you give this energy, and I feel like they're really driven by this energy. So take what resonate, but step into that Empress energy every day, 24/7, baby. Hey, tap into that energy, that feel good, that look good. Oh, almost forgot. We got the Jamaican proverb. Let's have a look and see what the Jamaican proverb wants to say. Ooh la la, how men view you, baby. Okay, how men view you. For the collective who chose Power 3, what do they need to know? Woo! So look. The color, the vibrant energy of the yellow. Look at that. Every best friend has a best friend. Every best friend has a best friend. Now this is like, be mindful that friendships, discussions with others, but I feel like this is very much about how they view you. Okay, I feel like this is a message for the viewer of the men that view you, that I feel like they may need to kind of be mindful of how much they give away about you, because I feel like it could also lead to temptation from others, feeling like, oh my gosh, she sounds so good. If she sounds that good, I might have to find a way to get her for myself. Let me just quickly clarify that message. Ooh, for the Power 3. Let's see what the every best friend is and how the best friend is trying to tell us. The additional messages regarding the Empress and how they view you. Yes, you see, there it is. Look at that, and the 3, and look what's at the right. You see this message. You see the messages here is coming out. And I'm becoming the Knight of Swords. Everything is moving so fast. Right. Look at that. It's the Emperor. So I feel like they need to be careful how much they give away about you, baby. Because there is more. I feel like there's a lot of onlookers looking, watching, and admiring you from a distance, maybe even wanting to come to you to see if they can grow and expand with you with the 3 of Wands. You know, they intuitively are sensing that energy as well, and I feel like they need to just be mindful of how much they give, but I feel like they intuitively know that you are you are that lady. You are that move and groove type of lady, that type of woman that anybody would love to have on their arm. And I feel like this is what they sense. So they better be careful how much they give away, baby. And look at that. Look what's at the back. Look at what is at the back. And I feel like this every best friend has a best friend is a message, as another reminder for those viewers, okay, those men that, or how they view you, or a specific person. I feel like they need to be mindful and take on the emperor mode and match the energy of the empress here. But I feel like there are a lot, maybe people that come your way that could see you as their counterpart, okay, see you as their mom, you deny for all time's sake. Ooh, rock, I said my to that. No, rock me tonight for all time's sake. Yeah, I feel like this is the energy. I'm trying to remember the name of the artist. If you know, put it in the comments below. But I feel like this is the type of energy that you drive people wild, baby, with your aura and with your energy. So keep it going, honey, because you got something good going on. So to the collective, Joe's Valerie, I hope the messages are resonating. I hope you're enjoying these quick mini reads, mini pick a card readings, and be sure to look good, feel good, tap into that energy of the Empress every time. Big up yourself every time. And if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Okay, you're missing out, baby. And I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.